Good morning, guys. Jon Paul here, and I wanted to share a pro tip with you. The tip is when you're out and you're exploring, make sure you enjoy it. What a beautiful place to be. I happen to be out standing on the edge of a beaver pond here in South Lake Tahoe down the road from where I live. I'm in a beautiful valley. I'm very fortunate this way. I've wanted to explore this side of the pond for a long time, and I took the opportunity while the ground is frozen early morning in winter, a little bit safer to walk out here so I'm not sinking in too much. Also, the big thing I'm doing today is I'm scouting. I'm looking at where the sun rises and sets. I'm looking at the aspen trees in the background. We'll see if you can see them just over there. I don't want to blow things out for you. And I'm looking to see if I want to photograph this with the trees backlit or if I want to wait for soft evening light on them. Do I want to come out here in snowy conditions so I've got a soft ethereal background, or would rainy conditions work wonderfully with everything saturated and rich? So I'm out here and I'm enjoying, but I'm scouting. I'm paying attention to all the elements, the atmospheric elements, the rise and fall of the sun, the mountains, the shadows. So while I'm out enjoying, I'm making notes, and I know that when the conditions are just right, this is where I'm going to be. I hope you enjoy this. I hope the pro tip helps, and I'd like you to please consider subscribing to my channel, sharing it with other people if you enjoy this and you think they would as well. And also, please comment and let me know as well what you would like to see. I want to build this into a community where all of us can share together and we can all learn together. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy shooting.